So we got a lot more rain in the works right now. The passes, as you can see, we've got snow-covered passes, which will continue to be snow-covered overnight tonight. It will probably be bare by tomorrow morning once the temperatures rise. And as you can see, Snoqualmie Pass, since you do have the snow, you've got chains required right now unless you have all-wheel drive. Stevens Summit traction tires are advised, but we've got snow-covered roads. And of course, earlier today, Snoqualmie Pass was closed in both directions because of some spinouts. Conditions over the pass will improve. That's the good out of this. The bad is all that snow is going to melt and it's going to turn to runoff, and it's going to cause some rivers to rise and some flood concerns. As you can see tonight, snow levels jump up between 3,000 and 3,500 feet. Tomorrow up to about 5,000 feet, which will continue through Thursday, and then it'll cool down as we head into this upcoming weekend. But because we're seeing that drastic increase in temperatures, all of this that we're getting tonight, 8 to 16 inches with that winter weather advisory, will likely turn to some runoff. So we've got the flood watch because of that. Most of western Washington is engulfed in that green color, which means, hey, heads up, we could be talking about localized flooding. We already have localized flooding like we showed you in Sumas, but it's happening all over. And we could see that because, well, let's be honest, the ground is extremely damp from all the rain we've already seen. So tonight, temperatures climb. I mean, they're looking at 11 o'clock all the way till 9 o'clock in the morning, and we continue to see that thermometer go up and up and up. So rainfall encompassing most of western Washington. We still have some snow. It looks like the snow right now is sitting around 1,000 to 1,500 feet, but it is slowly transitioning out. And the reason I know that is because we're seeing a few flakes over Cougar Tiger Mountain areas, Highway 18, and then of course up towards Snoqualmie Pass. Here's a look at the South Sound. You guys have been getting rain shadowed, and we tend to see that happen with this pattern. We've seen it happen over the last several weeks, but the mild air is still coming in, okay? Coast will be continue to be drippy, and likely to see some flood issues out there as well. So Pineapple Express feature, the atmospheric river, we're right back in it, sticking with us. Tomorrow, rainfall all day long, temperatures climbing into the low 50s, and it looks like that snow level will actually climb higher throughout the day tomorrow to about 5,000 feet. Could be seeing light, well, I should say moderate to heavy rainfall in that yellow color. There's your rain shadow throughout the day tomorrow, okay? It kind of moves around, but it stays around the South Sound. Everybody else will be experiencing a lot of rain. I don't see the temperatures cooling off until you get into that Saturday time frame. So 50s tomorrow, rainy, breezy Thursday. Friday, we're in the 50s still, but Saturday into Sunday, we dry out a bit, we cool down, we'll drop into the 40s, and hopefully we get a couple of days of some sunshine in there for you guys.